Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how we can quickly and easily change out the bump stop bushing on a Hummer H2 2003 to 2009. You're going to start off by removing the wheel on your Hummer H2. Once that wheel is out of the way, you're going to locate this bolt. It's a single bolt and it's going to be removed with a 15mm socket. Once you completely remove the bolt, the bushing underneath is slowly going to start coming down. And then once the bolt is completely off, the bushing will separate and you can remove your old bushing. Installing the new bump stop is just as simple. You're going to just grab your new bump stop, put it into place, and then align it and reinstall the bolt from the top. And then completely torque it down, and that's it. That's how quick and easy it is to change the bump stop bushing. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this very quick and easy DIY video on the Hummer H2. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, MrCarMAN. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.